Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have something super exciting, an unboxing of the Sony A6400 mirrorless camera. Now I know what you are thinking. Isn't this camera a bit older? It was released back in 2019, yes. But with all the advancements in tech, is it still worth picking up in 2025? Well, let's dive in and find out. But first, let's get this box open. So, here it is, the Sony Alpha 16400. As you can see, the box is pretty compact and sleek. It's a 24.2 megapixel mirrorless camera that's packed with features even for today's standards. So, let's see inside the box. Inside the box we get the camera body itself, which is pretty lightweight. There is also the 16-50mm kit lens, a battery, charging cable, shoulder strap, and some manuals. Nothing too fancy here, but it's all the essentials to get you started. And now let's take a look at this beauty. It's got that classic Sony design, sleek, compact, and built with a solid feel. The buttons are nice and responsive, and the flip up screen, yes, it's perfect for vlogging or selfies. It's a camera that can adapt to your needs, whether you are a beginner or a more advanced user. Alright, let's go through some key features of the Alpha 16400. First, the autofocus. It's got Sony real-time autofocus. And let me tell you, it's fast. Even in video mode, this camera locks on your subject in an instant. Whether you are filming yourself or shooting moving objects, it does a great job at keeping focus sharp. Next, we have got the impressive 4K video recording at 30 fps. So, if you are into vlogging, creating YouTube content, or making short films, the Alpha 16400's video capabilities are still top-notch. And let's not forget about that 24.2 megapixel APS-C sensor. It gives you that great depth of field for photos, sharpness, and excellent low light performance. For photos and content creation in general, the Alpha 16400 punches way above its weight. Okay, so now that we have seen what's in the box and taken a look at the features, let's talk about whether this camera is still worth it in 2025. The Alpha 16400 has been around for a while, but does it still hold up against the newer releases like the Alpha 16600 or other brands in the same range? Here is the thing, the Alpha 16400 is still an incredibly solid camera. Its autofocus is fantastic, the image quality is excellent, and the 4K video features still hold up. In terms of design, it's compact and portable, making it a great option for travel or daily use. However, it's important to note that it lacks in body stabilization, so if you plan to shoot handheld video a lot, you may want to look at something like the Alpha 16600 or Alpha 16700, which is recent, which has that feature. The battery life could also be better, but that's something you can work around with spares. So, is the Sony Alpha 16400 still worth it in 2025? If you are looking for a powerful, compact, and affordable mirrorless camera, the Alpha 16400 is absolutely a solid choice. It's perfect for creators who need great autofocus, excellent image quality, and reliable 4K video, of course. However, sorry. If you are after features like in body stabilization or longer battery life, you might want to consider something newer like the Alpha 16700 or even the Alpha 7C, depending on your needs and budget. Overall, if you can grab this camera for a good day, it's definitely worth it. It still delivers on what it promises and more, even in 2025. Alright guys, that wraps up our unboxing and a review of the Sony Alpha 6400 in 2025. I hope this helped you decide if it's the right camera for you. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments, are you still using the Alpha 16400? For me, I will still use it. Or have you upgraded? I would love to hear your thoughts. Catch you in the next one. Thank you. Bye bye. For those of you who are interested to see the samples and test of the videos and photos, you can see them from now. Thank you and goodbye again.